Welcome to Quiz World. Today's challenge is, would you rather, snacks and junk food edition? Let's go. Would you rather KFC or Popeyes? Would you rather Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks? Would you rather nuggets or onion rings? Would you rather Pringles Original or Doritos 3D? Would you rather Hershey's Chocolate Bar or Reese's Peanut Butter Cup? Would you rather Coke or Pepsi? Would you rather Domino's Pizza or Pizza Hut? Would you rather Twizzlers or Red Vines? Would you rather Twix Ice Cream Bar or Reese's Cup Bar? Would you rather Wendy's or Chick-fil-A? Would you rather Fritos or Lay's? Would you rather Kit Kat or Milky Way? Would you rather turkey sandwich or BLT sandwich? Would you rather hot Takis or hot Cheetos? Would you rather Sour Punch straws or Airheads? Would you rather McDonald's Quarter Pounder or Wendy's Baconator? Would you rather Sour Patch Kids or Swedish Fish? Would you rather Andy Capp's Hot Fries or Cheetos Puffs? Would you rather Sprite or 7-Up? Would you rather salty popcorn or caramel popcorn? Would you rather McDonald's hash brown or Burger King hash brown nuggets? Would you rather DQ Blizzard or ICE? Would you rather Ruffles or Tostitos? Would you rather One Sweet World or Cookie Dough Twist? Would you rather Oreo or caramel? Would you rather Snickers or M&Ms? Would you rather Gatorade or Powerade? Would you rather M&M's peanut butter or Reese's Pieces? Would you rather Chick-fil-A nuggets or McDonald's McNuggets? Would you rather cheesecake or apple pie? Would you rather combos or beef jerky? Would you rather Cheez-Its or Goldfish? Would you rather Munchies or Chex Mix? Would you rather Rice Krispies or Pop-Tarts? Would you rather Big Mac or Double Whopper? Would you rather Lucky Charms or Fruit Loops? Would you rather Jelly Belly or Gummy Bears? Would you rather Jolly Ranchers or Lifesavers? Would you rather Mike and Ike or Skittles? Would you rather Taco Bell Crunchy Taco or Taco Bell Doritos Locos Taco? Would you rather vanilla milkshake or chocolate milkshake? Would you rather s'mores or ice cream sandwich? Would you rather grilled cheese sandwich or peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Would you rather chicken tenders or sesame chicken? Would you rather Smiley Potatoes or Dino Nuggets? Would you rather Cinnamon Donut Balls McFlurry or Oreo McFlurry? Would you rather mac and cheese or fries with cheese? Would you rather corn dog or hot dog? Would you rather Cajun fries or plain fries? Would you rather churros or croissant? Ending. That's it for today's Would You Rather challenge. Which one was the hardest choice for you? Tell me in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes from Quiz World.